Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Harish Automation Talks. So as discussed in the last session, let's see how to install Java on macOS today. Okay, so let's get started. And yeah, so before we actually install Java in our machine, let's see whether it was already installed in our machine. So how to check that? So go to search and in the search bar type terminal and open it and just give the command called java-version. And you can see the message, the operation couldn't be completed, unable to locate a Java runtime. So it was unable to locate this Java runtime. So what we have to do now, we have to install. So how to do that? Let's get back to this page. And yeah, so we already verified and it was not available. Now we have to go to this URL. So this is nothing but a just a downloads URL, Java downloads URL. I'll show you how to open it in the browser. For now, just copy and paste it, and you will see this page. And if you want to directly open it in the browser, just give the Java downloads and the first URL from the Oracle website, Java downloads Oracle. So this both are the same pages. Okay, just and you're already in the Java downloads section, and the current version is Java JDK 21. And you can see it here, we have three different OS, which is Linux, Mac OS and Windows. So for now we are trying to install it in the Mac OS. Just click on the Mac OS and you are seeing the different files here, which is ARM64 compressed archive, ARM64 DMG installer, x64 compressed archive and the x64 DMG installer. So basically we have to install the DMG installer file, but which one, whether it's ARM64 or it's a x64. So first we need to know what is this ARM64 and x64. Let's get back to this page and see what is ARM64 and x64. So basically ARM64 is, it is the architecture used by the newer Macs. I mean, the newer Macs which they were recently releasing. So it's the architecture used by the newer Macs built on the Apple Silicon, shipped in the late 2020 and beyond. Okay, so what is this x64? x64 is, it is the architecture for all the Intel Macs shipped between 2005 and 2021. So before they have released with this Apple Silicon chips, they were using this Intel Macs, Intel chips. So recently they were the Macs which they were releasing, they are trying to make with all the Apple chip silicons. So but still we have this Intel Macs. So if you have the Intel chip Mac, just use this x64. Or if your Mac is this Apple chip silicon, so use the ARM64 to download. So I was using this Apple chip silicon, so I have to download with this ARM64 DMG installer. Just click on this link, it will get started downloading. So in my case it was already downloaded, so let me go to the download folder. So this is the one which I was downloaded. Just double click on it and double click on this jdk21.package folder, and you will see the pop-up to install jdk21. Just in a two simple step it will get installed. Just click on continue and just click on install and just give your password. Yep, that's it, and it was started installing. And yeah, it was done, but not completely, because you have to give your Java path in one of the location, and where you have to give it, I'll tell you now. So for now, just close this. And yeah, when you close it, you will have an option called whether you want to keep the downloaded file in your machine or you want to delete it. So for now I want to keep it, so I'm just keep clicking on this keep. Okay, so just close this. And yeah, so now what you have to do is, so till here we are done, right? We have clicked on the package file and clicked on continue install and it is done. So we have to set our Java path in one of the location. So either you should give it in a Java, the bash profile, or in a JSHRC. So I was giving it in the JSHRC. So how to do that? Just open the terminal again. So which is already open for us. So what you need to do, just give the this command vi till slash dot jdshRC. So let's type it vi till slash dot jdshRC and click on enter. So this is not in the editable mode now. So if you want to make it in the editable mode, just click on I. So now it was in the editable mode, that you can see it here. So once you enter, you have to click on I to make it in the editable mode. So after that, what you have to give this path here. So this path is nothing but so this is where Java is installed in our machine. If you want to see, we can go there and see as well. Just let's go here and go computer, mesh details, library. Inside the library, you can see a Java folder here, Java and Java virtual machines and JDK21. So here in the contents and home. So till here we have to give the path. So this is what the path is. So we have to give with this export Java home, right? So just I was already copied it and pasted it. Just copy it from here and just so we are already clicked on I to make it editable. Just paste it. Once you paste it, what you have to do is you have to give a click on the escape button. Once you click on the escape button, you can see here this insert thing is gone, and you have to click on the colon and WQ. So this is what it will save this file. I mean this location. Just click on enter. So it was saved. It was saved, but it was not applied the changes. So to apply the changes, that means you have given the path, right? So to apply the changes, you have to give one more command, which is source till slash dot ZSHRC and just give the enter. So it means now it was applied the changes. It means it was taken the location of the Java file. So now just type Java hyphen version. Now you can see, now you will see that Java is installed with the version JDK21 with the location. Just click on enter. See, it was seeing that Java version 21. Previously, you are seeing this operation couldn't be completed, unable to locate a Java runtime. Now you can see that Java is installed. How it is locating the Java runtime? Because we have given the path here in the JSHS and we have applied the changes using this source. So now you can see it, right? So yeah, this is how you can install Java in a Mac OS. And additionally, see till now, till here we have seen it, right? So what if you want to uninstall Java from your machine? What you need to do? Just simply give this command. So this command is nothing but be like sudo. Sudo means like the getting from the root user. rm means remove. So this rf removing. So just copy this. This is nothing but a location of your Java file, JDK file, which I have shown you just now. Just copy it, and so this is for uninstalling, not for the installing. So till here we are just install. So just paste it, paste the URL, sorry, paste the command and just click on enter and give the password. Okay, so it doesn't mean that it was uninstalled. I mean you can check, you can check with the Java hyphen version and you can see the same command before you install what you are saying before installing. But if there is one more thing you have, it means it's an optional. If you want to remove the path from this, you can remove. If you want to keep, you can keep it. So in my case, if I want to remove, just let me go to that. Just give the up arrow. You will see all the commands which you have used. Yeah, so I will go to this command and let's click on I and let's remove this path from here. Let's remove it. Removing, I was removed this path and the same thing, just click on escape, give the colon WQ, just saved it. So once it is saved, what you have to do, we have to make the up changes apply, then give the source JSHS. Yep, that's it. Now again just type with the Java icon version and you won't see it. So but this thing is an optional. So but after giving this command it will get after giving this command and give you a password, it will get uninstalled. This thing is an option. If you want to keep that path, you can keep it, otherwise you can remove it, right? So yeah, that's it. This is how to install Java on Mac OS and how to uninstall it. And yeah, so this is all about today. Hope this video helps you. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.